Welcome, everyone, to this week's Wednesday webinar, Grow with Confidence, talking about small business accounts and what we offer our small business owners. This is the first. This is the first time we've ever showcased our small business accounts, and we are so excited that you chose to join us. So hopefully you will get some really good information, resources from this webinar. And I'm going to introduce Carrie Lazar. You should be very familiar with her. She is our our expert content creator. She's in our marketing department. Eddie, you already heard Eddie's voice. We're so happy to have him back. We know that he had a great time on his much deserved vacation, but we're glad to have him back. Andrea from marketing. And like Eddie said, we have some really special guests who are really the subject matter experts in this field in small business banking. We have James Ruley, who is our Vice President of Member Business Services. James has been with our credit union for many years. He's been in the small banking industry, business account banking industry for 25 plus years. So we truly have the people who are the subject matter experts. And we also have Star Cochran. She is the Member Business Service Manager, and she is going to be presenting tonight. So we are so excited. So take it away, Star.
So good evening and welcome. And to tonight's agenda, we're going to do Understanding Business Banking. We're going to talk about the United States Senate Federal Credit Union's business solutions. We're going to be going over applying for business financing, and we're going to do a deep dive into the specific business services we offer here at the credit union. Small businesses are defined by the U.S. Small Business Association, which is the SBA, as independent entities that have fewer than 500 employees. And as of 2023, there are 33.3 million small businesses across the United States, and they employ over 61.6 million people. And these enterprises are vital to our nation's economy. They create more than 1.5 million jobs annually, and they contribute 64% of the net job increases. Remarkably, the small businesses account for 44% of the economic activity, highlighting the crucial role in driving growth and innovation. This substantial impact demonstrates the importance of supporting your small businesses to sustain and enhance their contributions to the community, to the economy. Oops. So who needs a business bank account? So nearly every business owner could benefit from a small business bank account. If you're opening a business as a separate legal entity, you'll be required to have a business account. And some are free to open, and some have a low minimum balance or a minimum opening deposit requirements, and some even earn interest. You should strongly consider all your options across before you decide. So what if you own a business? It'll benefit you to have a small business checking or savings account, as you can separate your personal assets from your business. And what if you're a freelance worker, a gig worker, or a 1099 contract worker? Business accounts aren't just for the large corporations. These accounts keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. And what if you happen to own more than one business? A business bank account can help you keep the assets of your multiple companies separate. And if you have a business partner, you will both need access to the business finances, and you'll want to have a separate account that everyone in the management team can check. Or what if you own investment property, such as a rental property? This will allow you to keep the finances of each of your rental properties separate, which not only limits your personal liability, but also helps your tax professional keep your deductions organized. And as your business continues to grow, you'll need financing. You may need financing at some point. So if you take out credit in the business name, you'll need tax documents to support your business's ability to repay the loan. So how does a business checking account work? So let's delve into the mechanics of a business checking account, which is a crucial tool for daily financial operations of any business. So business checking accounts provide the essential capability to write checks, which is your traditional form of payment, as it has been in the past years, to manage expenses, pay your suppliers, or handle other financial obligations. It's reliable, and it's a traceable method that ensures you keep accurate financial records. We also offer debit cards, so those debit cards can be linked to your business checking account Debit cards allow for immediate access to your funds and for quick transaction capabilities. They're ideal for your everyday purchases and operational expenses, and using a business debit card also helps track your spending directly from the account, simplifying your expense management, and it can track how you're spending your money. So what about web bill pay? That's another invaluable feature of modern business banking. This service enables businesses to set up automatic payments for recurring bills, such as a utility bill or a lease payment, directly from the checking account. It saves time, it saves stamps, it reduces the risk of late payments, and it can often be managed remotely. And how about wire transfers? For transactions that need to occur rapidly or internationally, wire transfers are a necessary function for business checking accounts. They can facilitate a quick transfer of the funds across banking institutions, which is essential for businesses dealing with overseas suppliers or needing to make large, one-time sensitive payments. So a business checking account can act as a hub for your business's financial activities. It streamlines your operations, it supports your various transaction types, anything from your check writing to your digital payments, and it ensures that your business can operate smoothly and efficiently. Utilizing these features allows for better cash flow management and financial organization. So why get a business checking account? So as we dive into the various facets of the business accounting, let's focus on the fundamental element that every business owner should consider, the business checking account. But why is it so essential to your business? Well, let's explore the key reasons here. Firstly, tax simplification. A dedicated business checking account simplifies your tax preparation. It separates your personal and your business transactions, and it makes it easier to track expenses, calculate your deductions, and prepare your financial statements. It prints a clear financial separation, which is crucial when it comes to time to file your taxes, ensuring accuracy, and it minimizes errors. It also lends professionalism and credibility. Having a business checking account enhances your professionalism. When you issue checks or process transactions under your business name, it reflects the level of seriousness and credibility to your clients and your suppliers. This can strengthen the trust in your business and foster a better professional relationship and image. Thirdly, it provides liability protection. Another critical aspect is liability protection. By using a business checking account, you help maintain a corporate veil. This corporate veil can protect your personal assets in the event of legal action against your businesses. The separation is not just a best practice, it's a shield for your personal finances. It also prepares your business for future growth. So as your business grows, your financial needs will become more complex. A business checking account prepares you for this growth. It allows you to manage increased transaction volumes and integrate more sophisticated financial services as your business continues to grow and expand. And what about access to business banking tools? Well, with a business checking account, you gain access to a suite of specialized banking tools designed to help you manage your finances efficiently. This includes online banking platforms tailored for business users, merchant services, and detailed financial reporting tools that can help you make informed business decisions. And lastly, access to credit. Establishing a business checking account with your financial institution, well, that can pave the way for future credit opportunities. It not only helps in building a banking relationship, but also in establishing a credit history for your business, which is invaluable when you need access to loans or lines of credit. So, as you can see, a business checking account is more than just a place to store your money. It's a foundation for managing your business's financial health. It fosters growth and it protects your assets. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your existing operations, the right business checking account can set you up for success. So thank you for considering the essential business tools, and let's ensure your financial management is as efficient and as effective as your business itself. So what do you need to open a business checking account? So let's explore those. So when you open a personal checking account, you're going to need your ID, your social security number, and an initial deposit. The requirements to open a business checking account are a little bit different. So to open your business checking account, we're going to need the following documentation. Well, we're going to need the social security if you're a sole proprietor or if you're using an EIN. If your business is a corporation or partnership or limited liability, we would need a copy of your EIN. We're still going to need a copy of your government issued ID, such as your driver's license or your passport. We're going to need a copy of your business license and the articles of organization or the articles of incorporation, depending on how your business is set up. We're going to need a copy of the organizing documents that you'll file with the state. If you have a partnership, we're going to need a partnership agreement with the name of the business and the partners. And if you're doing a DBA, doing business as, then we're going to need a copy of that assumed DBA that's registered with the state. And if you're a nonprofit, well, then we would also need a copy of your bylaws. So how do you choose the right business checking account? So let's transition from why you need a business account to how. Let's discuss how to select the business checking account that best fits your unique needs. The right account can significantly enhance your operational efficiency. So let's break down the factors that you should be considering. First of all, transaction limits. You need to consider your transaction limits. Different accounts have varying limits on the number of transactions you can perform each month without incurring additional fees. You need to assess your average monthly transaction volume and choose an account that aligns with your business activity. Here at the credit union, we don't have a transaction limit. Fees and charges, that's another one you need to be aware of. Different institutions charge different fees that are associated with your account. This could include monthly maintenance fees, it could include transaction fees, and any penalties for exceeding those limits. So you need to compare these costs across the different accounts to find your most cost-effective option that's going to work for your business. Thirdly, let's look at interest. Some business checking accounts offer interest on your balance, and while the rates are lower than those of savings account, earning interest could be an added benefit that would otherwise be idle. And then you need to look at convenience. Convenience these days is definitely a key to managing your business finances. You need to look for an account that offers online and mobile banking. How about nearby branch locations? How about ample ATM access? These features can save you time and effort in your daily operations. And what about account features? You need to consider the specific features that each account offers. This could include online bill pay. You could be looking at cash management services and advanced reporting tools. Again, you want to choose an account that includes features that are going to directly benefit your business operation. And how about security in today's environment? Security is paramount. You need to ensure that the financial institution offers a robust security measure to protect your account information. This would include fraud detection. You need secure online transactions and alerts for suspicious activity. And how about financing? If you anticipate needing a loan or a line of credit, you want to consider choosing an institution that's going to offer good financing options. Sometimes having an established relationship through a checking account can facilitate easier access to credit as you already have a credit history with your checking account. And lastly, you don't ever want to underestimate the importance of customer service. You want to choose a financial institution that provides excellent support with accessible and helpful representatives. You want good member service that can make a significant difference, especially when you encounter issues or an emergency arises. So, as you can see, choosing the right business checking account involves balancing a mix of features, your cost, and the convenience to match your specific business needs. You need to take the time to compare these factors carefully to ensure you're selecting an account that not only meets, but it enhances your business operations. So next, let's explore the diverse business options that are designated specifically for unique needs of your small businesses. These offerings include efficient business and nonprofit checking accounts, competitive business savings accounts, versatile business loans and lines of credit, advanced digital tools for on-the-go financial management, and comprehensive merchant services to expand payment capabilities, and expert advisory services for strategic and financial guidance. Each service is crafted so that it enhances your business's growth and financial stability. So let's dive deeper into how these solutions can integrate into and optimize your business solutions. Gary, do we have something out of order? So if you're looking at the business checking account,
Hey,
here,
Star.
yeah,
Sorry,
something's out of
it takes
order.
me forever. What's up? Did we move the savings slide in front of the business checking?
Yeah, but mine didn't save. I thought we said we were going to put the savings behind it, but either mine didn't save or yours didn't save. Because we went from why do I need a
I
business checking account to choosing the right business checking account to the small business option. Maybe it's an order, but mine didn't match yours.
I think we did change the one up front about what you need and why. But I think for this one we had mentioned changing it, but instead we were like, well, let's just do checking required for business savings. Do you think it should
Okay.
be changed?
No, so the small business banking solutions are before then mine goes to business savings account after that. So next, what do you have?
Maybe mine is business checking.
Okay, let me just switch mine. That's all I want to do. Mine didn't match your
Okay, I
slide. I
think
was like,
maybe we
oh,
switched it and then you didn't switch it back or something because
maybe.
when we
Okay,
said,
so
okay.
sorry, I know you're recording this, but I've got one
Oh,
is
I
grow
don't
with
mean to
confidence.
be recording I'm going to
Okay,
delete it. Don't worry. It
okay,
just does that automatically.
all right. So one is grow with confidence. Two is today's agenda. Three is small business facts. Four is who needs a business bank account. All right, five, I've got how does the business checking account work? Six, I've got why get a business checking account?
Mhm.
Seven, I have what do I need to open a business checking account? Okay, I think we match now. And then I've got choosing the right business checking account. And then I've got small business banking solutions. And then
I
it
have
goes
that.
okay, then it goes into ours, correct?
Yeah, bit starting with business checking.
Yeah, business checking nonprofit. Okay, I just wanted to get my slides back in order. I was looking at it going, you and I ain't matching. Okay, so perfect. Sorry. So we'll pick back up.
Well, I'm
So,
probably a lag too when I'm feeding through it.
no, you're doing really good. It totally didn't match at all. That's what I was saying. I was looking at the two going, they don't match. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's pick up here. So we've talked about the why you need a business checking account, what you need to look for when you're comparing your business checking account and your institution. So let's talk about what we offer here at the credit union. So here at the credit union, our business checking account, it's a minimum of $500 deposit to open it, which is a very minimum amount. Most institutions charge a much larger. We don't have any account setup fees here. You have unlimited transactions per month. We don't have any transaction fees on your account. Your business checking account gets a free debit card. You can get one for every signer. We also give you free online and banking, free online, free online banking. Might want to fix that one. Bill pay, e-notices, and telephone banking, as well as online cash management is available. And how about nonprofits? Well, nonprofits, we also offer a nonprofit checking account, which is only a minimum of $100 deposit to open. There's no average daily balance requirement for your nonprofit. We have no account setup fee. We also offer unlimited transactions per month on that account. There are no transaction fees. You receive a free debit card for the signer. And there's free online and mobile banking, bill pay, e-notices, telephone banking, and online cash management available. All right, to the left of the business checking, I see a typo. Where it says free online and banking, I think it's supposed to say mobile banking.
Yeah, so I'll update that. I noticed when you said, "Oh, you might want to fix that."
Sorry. Okay.
Oh, thank you. I so luckily it's not like that in the nonprofit. Weird. So I'll fix that.
Yeah, so just move it to the other one. Okay, then they'll match. And we offer online cash management availability. So as you can see, our deposits are very minimal, what you need to open a business account or a nonprofit account. And how about business savings account? Well, you do need a business savings account here as well, as every member, a personal member or business needs a savings account. But what are some of the benefits that we offer for that? Well, you earn monthly dividends. Your dividends are compounded monthly, which maximizes your earnings potential. We offer competitive rates and we offer a low minimum deposit. So we just have $5 that has to be opened in that savings. However, there is a checking account required with a business account. So in addition to our savings and our checking account, We offer additional savings venues for business members. We offer money markets. They have competitive tiered rates. They go anywhere from a 3-month to a 5-year term. So it's a minimum of the money market. There we have a minimum of $2,000 to earn dividends, and it's $2,000 minimum to open. If the account were to fall below that $2,000, you just wouldn't earn any dividends. We also offer share accounts here, which is a certificate. It's higher return than your savings account. Again, we have competitive fixed rates. Our CDs go anywhere from a 3-month to a 60-month, and it only requires a small deposit of a minimum of $1,000 to open up a CD. And here at the credit union, we also offer something called a bump certificate. During that term of your CD, we only offer it for a 36, a 48, or a 60 month. You have the choice. If the rates prevail and they go up, you can contact us and say, I'd like to bump my rate. And we will bump you to the higher earning rate at that time, and your CD will stay at the higher earning rate for the rest of the time. So it's another great option, especially if you're parking money and you don't think you're going to need it, or you're in a volatile market and the rates keep bumping back and forth. The bump rate's always a good term as well. Like I said, you get one bump during that life of that CD. So we've talked about our business savings, our business checking account, why you need a business account. So let's talk about move into business financing. So we're going to explore a range of business financing options available through the credit union here. These solutions are designed that they're going to support your business at the various stages of your growth and development. And here at the credit union, we understand that every business, well, you have unique financial needs. Whether you're expanding, if you're upgrading equipment, if you're needing to manage cash flow, if you're investing in real estate, if you're purchasing a business auto loan, we have a financing solution to help you succeed. So let's take a quick look at the options that we're going to be discussing. We're going to discuss term loans. We're going to discuss the lines of credit. We're going to talk about vehicle and equipment loans. We're going to talk about Visa business credit cards, and we're going to talk about commercial real estate loans. So each of these options, well, they come with very specific features that are tailored to meet the different financial needs and objectives. So let's take a deeper dive into these options and help you understand how you can leverage them to fuel your business growth. And let's start by diving into our first option, which is going to be term loans. So what is a term loan? A term loan provides a stable financing option for your business. It offers a fixed rate, a fixed term, so therefore you can plan your finances. You won't worry about fluctuating payments or fluctuating rates. The loan is ideal for business looking to finance a one-time expense, such as an expansion project or a large purchase. Our term loans go from a minimum of $5,000 to $250,000. So it ensures both that we can cover your small projects and your larger projects. And remember, our loans, they do offer a one-time loan origination on several of the loans if the loan is approved, which makes it a straightforward and transparent option. So there are no hidden fees out there, no hidden costs that we need to let you know about. So next, let's go look at our business line of credit. This is a very popular loan that many of our business members use. So our business line of credit offers incredible flexibility. It allows you to draw funds as needed, and you pay interest on only the amount that you use. Our lines of credit run from $5,000 minimum to a $250,000 maximum. They allow you flexibility to handle your fluctuations in cash flow, and it caters to you, and it allows you to have funds if you needed funds for an emergency or you needed something to cover your cash flow. You can set up auto withdrawals, which will further simplify your financial management. So you don't have to worry about payments. You can set it up to automatically draw. You can set your payment up to draw from your account here. You can also set it up to draw from an outside institution. And on our line of credit, as we talked about, there is a one-time loan origination fee if your loan is approved. So let's just give you an example. Let's just say you were approved for a $250,000 line of credit. Your max loan origination fee will be $200. So that's not bad. But at a well-known large commercial lender, the fee on their website for the exact same loan would be $1,250, which would be due at your account opening, and it's due annually thereafter. So while ours is a one-time fee, of 200, you're looking at $1,250 there as a one-time origination, and then every year after, we don't charge those fees. Another lender for the same loan or same type of loan, they do a minimum fee anywhere from 200 to a 750. However, theirs is the same way. It's at the time of opening, and they charge you yearly. So here at the credit union, it's only a one-time fee. So just wanted to make sure you're aware of that as well. So it's very transparent. There's no hidden fees again. So let's move into vehicle and equipment loans. So financing is available for both new and used vehicles, helping you keep your operations running smoothly without a hefty upfront investment. So for new vehicles, we do a 36 to a 84 month. For used, we do a 36 to a 72 month. We don't do any vehicles that are older than 10 years because we want to ensure that you have a reliable vehicle and it assures reliability. They have flexible terms. Like I said, they're very flexible, so they can align with your business cycle and your capital depreciation schedules. So we also offer GAP Plus coverage, and that can protect your investment by covering you up to 110% of the NADA value, which can provide extra security against unexpected depreciation. Now, in order to be eligible for GAP, the vehicle must be in the NADA or KBB lookup. So if you're looking at a dump truck, it's probably not going to qualify. But that is another peace of mind for you that if something were to happen to your vehicle, it can cover the gap cover part of that gap between what you owe and what the insurance says it's worth. Equipment loans are just that. They can be used to purchase a piece of equipment. We've had people buy refrigeration units for a warehouse, things like that. And so it's a type of like business equipment that can be used. So let's move into the next line. We also offer Visa credit cards. That's another great option here. Our credit cards go anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000. You earn reward points as well. So it gives you buy-in power and it gives you reward points. So those enhance the value of your spending. So they not only facilitate easier spending, but they reward you with points on every purchase that you make. So the cards are perfect for everyday business expenses. You can use them for travel costs, and they can help you gain additional value from your regular spending. We have a generous credit limit. They go anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 and will support your business's ongoing needs. And they're accepted everywhere that a Visa card is accepted, both in the U.S. and globally. So that card can be used worldwide. So that's another one of the options on our business credit card. And we do offer a smart reward card at really great rates for businesses. And lastly, we offer commercial real estate loans. So our commercial real estate loans, well, those are tailored for investing in properties. They can be used for office buildings. They can be used for a rental piece of property. And we offer up to an 80% loan to value. So these loans do not impact your, and so the benefits of investing in real estate is long-term growth and how it can serve as a significant asset for your business. If you're looking at a piece of commercial real estate, we may not require a full appraisal if the property is less than $1 million. We may be able to do a desktop. It's going to depend on the type of property, but that's something to keep in mind. Fees are extremely low here at the credit union. Our goal is not to make money. Our goal is to enhance your business and help you. So there's a small loan origination fee of 1%. We don't charge points like many of the institutions do. We have a one-time documentation fee, which is extremely low. And then the only actual charges that we charge are what the closing costs are, what the court fees are, what the title company charges. So there are no hidden fees out there, and everything will be disclosed to you up front. Another thing to know is that all of our loans don't impact your personal credit. We lock them on, you apply under the business name, and we lock the credit so that credit only reports on the, it's not reporting on your personal. So that's another benefit to our loans here at the credit union as far as doing a commercial loan. It's not affecting your personal credit and your personal credit debt to loan ratio. So that's something else to consider here at the credit union. So how would you apply for a small business loan? Well, first of all, you want to contact a business representative. So we can start your application. So you want to give us a call. You can reach us at the 800-374-2758, extension number 5. and that will connect you with one of our experienced business representatives. That is the dedicated business line. We'll guide you through every step of the application process. We'll help you tailor a loan solution that's best going to fit your needs. And you will need an open funded business account to be able to apply for a business loan. So if you're on this webinar tonight and you own a small business and you don't have a business account, but you're interested in a business credit card or something, we're going to have to start with a business account first. You can also call that same number and we'll be happy to help you with the opening the business account as well. So next, during your initial call, we're going to talk with a representative. We're going to discuss various loan options available. We're going to help you identify what's going to suit your needs the most based upon your business goals, your financial situation, and what you're looking to purchase. So we're going to give you a list of documents we need that we're going to need. They'll help you streamline that process. We'll give you a very specific list. Those are going to include your most recent profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. We're going to need 3 years of tax return. That would be both personal and your business if your business has been in business that long. And we're going to need a bio on your business, your experience, detailed business plan, business model, things like that. So we're going to need that type of information, and we're going to need proof that you're in good standing with the state. And we do service loans in all 50 states. So that's just something else to remember. And then once we've had our discussion with you, we've taken care of everything, we let you know what you're going to need, we're going to send you out a loan application. A lot of it will be pre-filled for you because we've just talked to you on the phone and pre-filled a lot of it for you. That's going to ensure that your paperwork's correct. It's going to help you submit your application, and it's going to cut down the time that you're needing to fill in things. It does allow you to review the application. If we had a typo or a mistake or something's not incorrect, it's going to allow you to correct it. There will be some information that you're going to have to fill in that we're not going to know. So there's going to be a couple things for you to fill in, but we basically take a lot of the work out of the equation for you. So once we receive that back, along with all the requested documents, we're going to submit your application, and it's going to undergo a review process. We're going to look at your financial health, your business model, your potential for growth. We're going to look at what you're wanting to purchase. We're going to look at everything. And then our representative is going to stay with you throughout the process. We'll keep in touch with you. We may need additional documentation. Sometimes that does happen. If that's the case, we'll reach out and get the information. And once the decision's made, then we're going to contact you and discuss the next steps. So upon approval, the loan terms, we're going to finalize those for you. And then we will send the application back for you to sign all the documents. At that point in time, when it comes back, we will disperse the funds. And we'll help you understand the disbursement process, any requirements that we have if we're paying something off. So we're going to stay with you throughout this step. And don't forget, we're here to support you every step of the way. So let's take a pause here. So we've talked about business checking, business savings, and we've talked about business lending suite. So in addition to those products, we also offer additional business banking products here at the credit union and different things that we can help you with for your small business. So we offer additional. So we offer business online banking services. So while we have that suite, we also have another financial management things that we can help you with. So we do business online banking. We also offer bill pay. We have free online mobile banking, free telephone banking. So the free online banking, you access your account anywhere, anytime with our secure online banking platforms. It allows you to monitor your account balance. You can look at your transaction histories, and you can manage your finances with ease. We also offer free mobile banking. You can stay connected to your finances at the tip of your fingertips with our mobile banking app. You can perform your banking transactions. You can check your account status and more from your mobile bank device. We also offer free telephone banking for those who prefer to manage their account over the phone. Our telephone banking service offers a convenient way you can access your account, make transactions, and get account information without needing access to the internet. And we do free e-notices. It keeps you informed with real-time notifications about important activities and updates through the e-notices. And this services helps you keep on top of your business finances effortlessly. Another great feature is remote deposit. You can deposit checks directly from your office or your home using our remote deposit service. It's quick, secure, it saves you a trip to the bank, and it enhances your operational efficiency. We also do account alerts and notifications. You can set up customized alerts for your various account activities, whether it's low balance warnings, deposit confirmations, or unusual activity. These alerts help you stay informed and react swiftly to any financial changes. And we offer easy transfers. You can easily transfer funds between your USSFCU account here to other accounts or to external accounts. This feature is designed to make managing your cash flow and meeting your financial obligations simple and yet hassle-free. And then we also offer web bill pay on your business account. This simplifies your payables process. It allows you to set up a one-time or recurring payment. That will save you time. It's going to avoid late fees. It manages your payables efficiently from one platform. And we offer QuickBooks integration. So you can seamlessly integrate your banking data with QuickBooks. It simplifies your accounting tasks like reconciling your bank statements. You can track your expenses, and you can make your financial management more streamlined and more accurate. So as you can see, leveraging these tools optimizes your time, it reduces your operational costs, and it keeps your financial management process running smoothly. So let's ensure that your business has the financial agility it needs to thrive in today's fast-paced market. So again, we've talked about all the suite of products that we offer here at the credit union, and we also have some additional enhancements. So let's talk about these. Many of these are with outside vendors that are very trusted, but they're also very vetted and have been a wealth to our business members. So let's talk about merchant services. So what is merchant services? So we're going to talk about merchant services and how they're designed to meet the needs of your business and enhance your transaction capabilities. So does your business accept credit cards, or do you take debit cards, which are essential for almost all businesses today? This service includes secure processing and fast settlements to ensure your business maintains steady cash flow. You can do mobile pay. So with the rise of smartphones, offering mobile payment options can significantly enhance your customer convenience. Our services support mobile bill pay solutions, allowing your customers to make payments directly from their mobile devices. And EMV, adopt the global standard for cards equipped with your chip technology. EMV compliance not only reduces fraud for you, but it also builds customer trust in your transactions and security. And how about recurring billing? I'm sure many of you do that. So it's ideal for subscription-based services. Our recurring billing solution automate your monthly charges, ensure a seamless billing process for both you, your business, and your customers. And wireless transactions that expand your sales opportunity beyond the confines of just having a physical store. Many people have e-commerce stores. So our wireless transaction solutions are perfect for businesses that are on the go, such as a food truck or market stalls. And how about online processing? You can set up a secure payment online gateway to accept transactions via your website. This is essential if you have an e-commerce business looking to reach a broader market. They also offer gift cards, so you can implement a gift card program to increase upfront revenue and attract new customers. Our platform supports both physical and digital gift cards and makes it versatile for marketing strategies. And how about electronic processing, check processing? Well, you can stream the way you handle check payments with our electronic check processing service. This tool converts checks into electronic transactions. It speeds up your payment processing, and it reduces your handling costs. So as you can see, our merchant services provides a comprehensive suite of payment solutions that cater to the diverse needs of the modern business. So whether you operate in-store, online, you're on the move, our business services ensure that your payment processes are efficient, secure, and aligned with the current technology advancements. So let's look at a live case study now that we've talked about all that. So this is a real live example that shows the impact of one of our members with the merchant services. We worked with a well-established nonprofit association in the greater Washington, D.C. area, and they were facing challenges with their payment processing cost. As everything else, Costs are going up. So the problem is the nonprofit was seeing a significant rise in their credit card processing expenses, which had escalated to over $60,000 a year. So as their processing volume grew, well, so did their cost, making it financially burdensome to operate their events effectively. So our approach was to conduct a thorough audit and analysis of their existing credit card processing statements and the methods they were using. By identifying the key areas for optimization and implementing innovative software solutions, along with best practices, we aim to ensure the lowest possible rate on each transaction. And the results, well, they speak for themselves. We successfully reduced the annual expenses by up to $24,000 simply by altering the way that they process their cards. So complement the technology upgrades, we provided comprehensive staff training on the new practices to maximize their efficiency and their adaptability. And the formula for achieving these results was straightforward, yet very effective. Their transaction optimization plus the new practice training, well, it equaled bottom line savings. And this strategy, it led to a 40% decrease in their processing costs. Again, I'm going to say a 40% decrease in their processing cost. So this study illustrates just how tailored solutions in the merchant services can significantly alleviate financial pressures. And for any organization facing similar challenges, our merchant services not only provides essential functionalities, but they also drive substantial cost savings and service improvement. As you can see through this example, we see the tangible benefits that can be achieved with the right strategies and support in place. So if that's something you're interested in, let's discuss how we can implement simpler improvements to your business to optimize the transactions and reduce your cost. Another suite of products that we offer for our small business members are business advisory services. So our business account holders, well, you have access to a comprehensive range of business services through our partnership with Fellows Financial Group. The services are specifically designed to support and protect the sustainability and the growth of your business. So for business continuity planning, our advisors specialize in creating a robust continuity plan. They work with you to identify your potential risks and develop strategies to ensure your business operations can withstand unexpected disruptions. The proactive planning helps minimize downtime and it maintains your operational integrity under various circumstances. And how about business succession planning? It's critical for ensuring the long-term survival and the success of your business. Our advisors, well, they assist in planning the smooth transition of management and ownership, whether that will be due to retirement, an unexpected departure, or other changes in leadership. We will help you prepare for these transitions to avoid potential disruption. How about income protection plans? We can offer customized income protection plans to safeguard the financial stability of your business. These plans help ensure that your business continues to generate an income even in adverse situations, protecting both your personal and your business finances. And how about executive compensation strategies? Well, compensating your key executives appropriately, that's essential for retaining top talent. Our advisors help you design competitive compensation strategies that align with your business goals, ensuring that your top performers stay motivated and engaged. They also offer employee insurance programs. So employee benefits, those are vital for attracting and retaining a strong workforce. We offer tailored insurance programs that meet the needs of your employees while aligning with your business objectives. These programs, they can cover health, life, and disability insurance, contributing to a comprehensive benefits package for your small business. And lastly, commercial insurance. Understanding the unique risks that your business can face allows us to recommend the most effective commercial insurance policy. From general liability to specialized coverage, our advisors ensure that your business assets, your operations, and reputation are protected against potential losses. But our advisors, well, they do more than just plan. They become a part of your team, helping to ensure the stability and the growth of your business through strategic risk assessment and management. They customize policy development to cover all aspects of your business and their personal needs. And they do regular reviews and updates to your plans and the policies as your business continues to grow and evolve. So Fellows Financial Group business advisors are available to assist all of our business members with their financial planning needs. You can connect with an advisor by the phone, and that number is 571 205, 1515. And again, that number for Fellows Financial Group, it will also be on another slide, is at 571 205 1515. Or you may email them at FAS, that's Frank Alpha Sam, at USSFCU.org to schedule a virtual consultation, which is no charge to you. So as you can see here at the credit union, we offer a wealth of suites and products for the small business member. So let's see what a few of our small business members have to say about the credit union. Kirsten, who's the president of Kirsten Federal and Associates, says, having been a member at the credit union for over 30 years, I'm continuously impressed by the USSFCU's dedication to the small businesses. Their business support team, led by Star Cochran, is incredibly efficient and effective. And I'm sure those of you in the Alexandria area, well, you're familiar with Aldo's Italian Kitchen. So Emmanuel, he has to say that USS has been a steadfast supporter of my restaurant, especially during the challenging COVID years. Their help with the PPP loans was crucial for our survival. I appreciate the team's friendliness, their professionalism, and their commitment to the community support through the donations to the local nonprofits. And Abby from Mint and Ivy, well, she says, as a member for over 20 years, USSFCU was my first call when I started Mint and Ivy. Their business services staff expertly guided me through the PPP loan application process and have been an integral resource as my business continues to grow. And Michael from Solutions Med states that in the 4 years since we have started, USSFCU has been crucial to our success and financial stability. Their team offers exemplary customer service, showing genuine care and timely responsiveness. USSFCU has supported us from our inception through our periods of growth and stability. So as you can see, we have small businesses that we definitely help every day. Like I said, our goal is not to make money off of you, it's to truly enhance what your small business does and to give you the best possible service. So we'd like to say thank you for allowing us the opportunity tonight. As you can see on the slide, we have our phone number. To reach the Small Business Department directly, you want to call 800-374-2758. We are extension number 5. That is the dedicated business line. We are more than answer any questions, help you. You can see our website is there as well. And we have a dedicated email as well, the mbs@ussfcu.org. We look forward to helping you and answer any questions we can answer for you.
Thank you so much, Star, for that amazing presentation. You did such a wonderful job. And I think each one of us, both the attendees and the panelists, I believe we all learned something new this evening. And this presentation is just to emphasize what we have said each and every single Wednesday since we started the webinar, that the United States and the Federal Credit Union is a one-stop shop. Or I know, you can keep everything under the same umbrella, from personal accounts. And as you can see now, this emphasizes that we also do business services as well. So we have the solution for you. And another thing that I wanted to emphasize is that just let us know, let us know what your goal is. Let us know your concerns. If you don't know how to start your business, or if you already started your business and you're struggling, please talk to us. Let us know, because I bet you 99.99% of the time, the United States and the Federal Credit Union has a solution for you. So please check us out, try us out. So once again, thank you, Star, for doing that great presentation. And then before we go with the questions, Andrea, I wanted to give a special shout out to a couple of the attendees on the list. Ms. Burns, I do see you. You are one of our faithful viewers each and every single Wednesday. And, you didn't let us down this Wednesday either. You were so, you're here with us. So thank you very much for that. I also wanted to give a shout out to Mr. Michael, which actually Star read that testimony on the slide. So Mr. Michael, thank you very much for being here with us. We appreciate your business. I'm so glad that you show us support as well. And also I wanted to give a shout out to Miss Rahel Young. She's one of us. She works with the operations team, with the retail team. So Ms. Rahel, thank you for your support. It's glad to see family. When we see family on the attendees, that means a lot to us. So thank you very much for taking time of your busy schedule, because I know, dealing with operations is a busy task, but you're handling it pretty well. And look at you now supporting us here. So thank you very much for that. But with that being said, Andrea, I'm gonna give you the mic to you. And once again, Star, like I always call you, you're a superstar, and you did a great job today. So
Thank you, Eddie.
Andrea, take it away, please.
Okay, thank you, Eddie. So the first question is, can USFCU business accounts accept international transfers?
We can do outgoing international transfers, but this time we do not have a SWIFT code, so we do not accept international wires at this time.
So the next one is, as our company continues to grow, our payroll expenses increase with every new employee we add. We primarily use this line of credit to support cash flow for salaries. We are a government contractor with regular payments, but we need this credit line in case there are delays with our invoices that affect our normal net 30 payments. The challenge is hiring new employees consumes our cash up front. What options are available when our line of credit needs to exceed the current $250,000 limit?
James, do you want to answer that one?
Sure, I will be happy to. And I think I know who that came from.
Me too.
Yeah. And thank you very much, Michael, for your business. We appreciate that.
Absolutely.
And yes, we do. We now have a $500,000 line of credit available and grant small businesses. So we do have that as an option. And if that's something you'd like to pursue, we would certainly be happy to look at that, to entertain offering that to you. And thank you again. And I agree with Eddie. Thank you, Star. Appreciate that great presentation.
As an existing member who's happy with the services, I'd like to recommend them to other small business owners. What is the best way to do that, and what are the requirements?
So, Michael, you can certainly give them our number. We'd be happy to talk with them, give them any information. They're just going to have to be registered with the state that they're in, and they're going to have to provide the information that we're looking for, either articles, organization, articles of incorporation. If they're a sole prop, we're going to need their business license. So we'd be more than happy to help you.
All right, thank you for that answer, Star. And then just to emphasize, if you call our 800 number, if you click on, we always say this, we usually emphasize the option 7 because that's for, membership development, and that's Kim. But this time we want to emphasize option 5. You don't even have to use 2 hands, only one, option 5. And then you get to talk to Star, And the reason why, we want to emphasize something as well, that we do these webinars with the departments that you're going to work with, is because you're not going to get a robot or AI. You're going to get the person that presented this in to talk to you and answer the questions. So, and like we were saying earlier, this team has so much experience. James, has so much wisdom when it comes to businesses and memberships and credit unions and banks. You name it, he knows it all. So we're just so glad to, just show that off to you all, because you can confidence bank with the United States Senate Federal Credit Union, both personal and business sides as well. And I know we do have another question. It's from Mr. Michael. I think he's going to become one of the regulars on the webinars. I have a feeling, to be honest with you. But the question is, and correct me if I read this wrong, business team, but it says, do you report to DUNS or DUNS and Bradstreet or similar services for business credit? So if I read that wrong, I apologize.
Currently, we are not reporting on the business credit side. James is, I don't see anything changing currently. Is that correct?
No, we have, and we will continue to embrace the small relationship. Reporting and Dun & Bradstreet is not something that we intend to do. We continue to support our small businesses based upon what we know about that business. We have no intention of doing that in the future either.
Thank you very much. Straight answer. to the point, and I appreciate you for the answers as well. Andrea, do you see another question on your end?
Yes, sorry. Can you link the Zelle payments to a small business account?
You can. We have some business members who who offer Zelle to their clients. We do not support it. So if you have a problem, you're going to have to go to Zelle, but yes, you may link it.
And then does vehicles have to be in the title of the business name in order to obtain a small business auto loan?
You will have to have business insurance on that vehicle. So if your business name is on that title, they're not going to finance it on the consumer side. It's going to need to be done on the business side. And so, yes, the business name needs to be on that title. You guys have business insurance on it.
Okay, and then I think this is the last question. If you need, if you are a business startup, is there a certain amount of time you need to establish before trying to obtain a small business loan?
I would be happy to answer that question. The answer to that is no. We understand how small businesses get started. That is something near and dear to our heart. We base our loans upon the individual applying for it. So you don't need to have the business started to apply for a loan with us. So, and we encourage folks to do so.
Absolutely.
And to what James was saying, you know, he was emphasizing how we're here to help you all. And then we always hear Kim saying people helping people, but this time we want to say a business helping other businesses, you know. So that's the reason why James was emphasizing that, hey, we know how hard it can be, or, you know, how slow the process can be. But hey, make sure that you ask the proper questions. You let us know the situation, what it is. And like I said earlier, we'll find the solution for you. That's what we're here for. You know, we are proud of our products and services when it comes to businesses. And that's the reason why we're here, you know, giving this presentation, because we want to set you up for success. We want to make sure that when you think about your financial goals and dreams, you think about us, because we want to be part of your journey to make sure that, you know, we're there for you as well. So any questions you may have, please ask, because we'll have the solution for you. And then regarding the vehicles, can you refinance existing work vehicles from outside institutions?
Absolutely. So as long as it falls within that 10-year parameter, we can absolutely look at doing that.
All right. So if, you know, if you're over there trying to start a business or restart a business, I don't know, maybe a landscaping business, I don't know, or anything that you want to do, we will have the products for you. And it's a matter of communicating with us. You know, something to start that, you know, resonated with me is that she was talking about that. Let us know what your goal is, and then we'll, you know, help you out. We'll answer the questions for you. So, do you see any other questions under your end? Is that it?
I think that's
Three,
it.
any anonymous questions? Kim, any anonymous questions on your end as well?
Let me add something real quick, Eddie, to that. I'd like everyone to know that we are an organization that anyone can join. We have a way for you to become a member in our organization and in turn have your business with us. So please reach out. We'll show you the different areas and the different ways that you can join our credit union and be part of our credit union family. And we do really think of our members as part of our family.
Thank you, Mr. James. And then, Kerry, what is that one saying that we were using the slogan? We have over 100 ways to join the credit union. What was it? I know you create the content, so what was it? I know you know it.
With over 140 paths to membership, anyone can become a member.
That's right. And then you know, the reason why we stay active with the community in person, with the engagement events, and then with the webinars as well, is because we don't want you to get intimidated by the Senate name. Like James was saying, we have a way for you to, you know, to join, and we will treat you as family, because in case you didn't know this, the United States Senate Federal Credit Union is a nonprofit. So when you become a member, that means that you are our boss. So that's the reason why you see James on his best behavior today, or you see me behaving as well, you know, it's because all of you are our bosses, you know, those are our, you know, our members. So any last words, Star or James, before we conclude?
If you call our number and you happen to you keep getting our voicemail, or, you know, we're with a member right now, after 2 minutes, I promise, if we don't pick up because we're still with the member, you will get a voicemail and a please, please leave a voicemail. We will definitely give you a call back, because once we finish with the calls that are in the queue, we're speaking to who we're speaking to, we check the voicemails and do return calls. So please don't get frustrated if you have to be on hold for 2 minutes and you're like, this was the only time I had. Please leave us a message and we will definitely contact you back.
Mr. James, any last words from you?
Yes, I just like to add to what Star did. Please, when you leave that message, let us know the best time to call you.
Mm-hmm.
We are here to serve you, and we want to make sure we serve you the best way we can. I wanted to personally thank Star and thank the entire team here for this presentation, and I certainly appreciate everyone out there that attended this particular webinar. We appreciate your business, and we certainly look forward to continuing that in the future. Thank you.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you, Star and James. Our business team, you saw the faces. You probably see the emails and the names and the voices, but now you see the faces. So thank you very much for your support this evening. It means a lot to us. At the beginning of this season 2 of the weekly Wednesday webinars, we told people that we were going to have many guests and new surprises and new presenters. And hey, you're one of the surprises that we had, under the sleeve. So thank you very much, Star, once again. James, you are amazing at what you do. Thank you very much, sir. And then Carrie, what is the next topic for next week?
Next week, we're doing student paying for college. So undergraduate student loans, and our expert, she's really good. Suzanne Wilkins from Student Choice, our partners at Student Choice. So we'll send out a link in our recap email. And thank you all so much.
Thank you. Thank you. And then also we want to remind everybody that this recording will be available on our website by the end of the week, or if you YouTube United States Senate Federal Credit Union, you'll be able to see all our previous recording webinars and also other content that we have made, regarding car loans and then other financial topics as well. So please check all our videos. We're so glad to see you, whether it's live or if you're looking this as a recording. Thank you very much. And I know that Andrea is very interested in next week's topic because she's still paying her student loans. I don't want to put your business out there, but hey, we can all learn something new. We can all learn something new. And for those that have dealt with student loans, you know how painful that can be. But hey, some of us saw the light at the end of the tunnel. So Andrea, there's hope for you as well. With that being said, everybody, thank you very much for being here with us. Kim, thank you very much for your expertise. Carrie, thank you for the great content. Andrea, thank you very much for reading the questions. And the business team, we appreciate you for, hosting the presentation, answering the questions as well. And this is Eddie Villanueva with the United States Senate Federal Credit Union. We're happy to see you here. Have a great evening, and we'll see you next week.